Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if there is a touchpad delay on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop. So if you notice your touchpads responding very slowly or there seems to be a delay between when you are making the actions, and then I'll show you the quick method. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooters. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to select or click on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na tong administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter tong command keyword na msdt.exe space dash id space device diagnostic, and then copy lang natin yan. And next step ay i-paste natin dito. So gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B, and then press mo lang yung enter. And wait natin. So makikita mo dito na hardware and devices and troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. Ang next step ay dito sa advanced, i-click mo lang yan, and then dapat naka-apply repairs automatically. So naka-check yan. And then dito sa baba ay click mo lang dito yung next. And wait natin na makomplete yung detecting problems and initializing and diagnostic process. Okay, so makikita mo dito na na-complete na siya, and then kailangan mo lang i-follow dito kung ano yung step-by-step procedures and permissions details na makikita mo dito para ma-fix natin yung problem. Alright? And then close lang natin yan, and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to change the touchpad's sensitivity cursor speed. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to click on the search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung settings, and then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung open, and dito sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Bluetooth and device, so click mo lang yan. At dito sa right side ay scroll down, and then hanapin natin dito yung touchpad. Okay, so i-click mo lang tong touchpad, and then dapat naka-turn on dito yung touchpad, yung kanyang button dito sa right side. And then dito sa kanyang gestures and interactions, the cursor speed, so pwede mo na itong i-adjust. Okay, so i-move mo lang itong adjust sliding niya mga kaibigan dito. Alright, and hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error is still persists, ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to modify Windows registry. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to select on search menu, and then dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung registry editor, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. So once na open mo na tong registry editor, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung HK current user, so double click ka lang. And then dito sa HK current user, and then select mo lang dito yung software, so double click ulit dito. And dito sa software, and then kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Microsoft, so double click ulit dito sa Microsoft. And then dito sa Microsoft ay kailangan mo lang locate dito yung Windows. So dito sa Windows, kailangan mo ulit mag double click. And then dito sa Windows, i-select mo lang dito yung current versions, so kailangan mo ulit mag double click. And then dito sa current versions ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Precision Touchpad. Alright? So, once na-locate mo na tong Precision Touchpads, so ang gagawin natin dito is one-time click. So, click mo lang yan, at dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung EAP threshold. Okay? So, ito siya. So kapag wala kang nakitang EAP threshold dito ay kailangan mo lang mag-create. Kung paano mag-create, so dito sa blank space area, so kailangan mo lang mag-right click. Dito ay kailangan makikita mo dito yung new, and then select mo lang dito yung K, and then select mo lang dito yung DWORD 32-bit value, and then makikita mo kaagad dito yung new folder. So, dito ay kailangan mo lang i-rename dito yung AAP threshold. Alright? And then proceed na tayo. So, once na-locate mo na tong AAP threshold, so select and double click. And then dito sa kanyang edit the word 32-bit value ay double check yung name na AAP threshold. At dito sa kanyang value data, tong number 2 ay i-change natin into 0. So, change mo yan. And then dito sa base ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung hexadecimal. And then i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, then after dito sa registry editor and then close lang natin yan. At dito sa start menu and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix touchpad delay on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.